We are discussing about the important topics for GATE 2023. In this section, we are discussing especially about the organic chemistry. See, yesterday we are already discussing about the inorganic chemistry strategy as well as and also blueprint, which topics is very important, especially in examinations point of view. So, which topic is more weightage? We are already discussed in yesterday. So that video, if anyone not seeing, I will give the link in description. You will watch and again and again. So now let's start in organic chemistry. See, first unit, reaction mechanism. It is very high weightage of the organic chemistry reactions. So reaction mechanism in this organometallic chemistry, organocopper, magnesium and coupling reactions like Heck, Suzuki, Stille and Sono-Gashira coupling. Then enolate chemistry, rearrangement reactions. Whatever you have prepared before, it is enough. That means, so in this you are already studied before about rearrangement reactions like phenol phenolone, Favorsky, whatever you are studied, it is enough for you. Then retrosynthesis, Ampolon, synthetic equivalents, then oxidations, reductions, addition to alkenes and alkynes. Hammett reaction is the good concept. It is observed in little concepts. It is found in Claydon, so it is very important topic. And also SN1, SN2, SNNGP, SNAE. AE means addition elimination, SNEA, EA means elimination and addition reactions. These are the little important topics which are asked in the GATE examinations. Okay, next reagents also very important. In this oxidation reactions, whatever you have studied in your notes, it is sufficient for you. And also reductions means in these cases, exception cases in sodium borohydride, lithium borohydride, Birch reductions, whatever exceptions is mentioned in your notes or in textbooks, you just recall the topics, it will help for you. And also OMC, all the coupling reactions, whatever coupling reactions you have, that all reactions are very important for the reagents concept. Now I will move to next unit, that is stereochemistry. So stereochemistry is the key part of organic chemistry. Everyone know that thing. So now see, in stereochemistry, RS configuration of biphenyls, spirenes, allyne compounds, conformational analysis of cyclohexenes, and enantiotropic diastereotropic concept. Last year, I think 2022. So in that year, they are asking enantiotropic diastereotropic concept. So you just recall the topic again and again. And also calculating the number of stereoisomers. It is also a little topic, is very important. Next, I will move to pericyclic and photochemistry. So this is the high weightage. Compare with stereochemistry, it is asking 2 to 4 marks. So very high weightage topic. So see here, in pericyclic photochemistry, in pericyclic, orbital picturization, electrocyclic and cycloaddition, sigmatropic reactions, and specific emphasis of Diels-Alder reactions. It's stereochemistry. Stereochemistry including pericyclic reactions are the very important in pericyclic chemistry. Okay. Then photochemistry. Photochemistry is a little topic. So in this topic contains Paterno-Bucci, Norris type 1 and 2, dipymethane reactions, Barton reactions. These are the very important concepts. You just study the Carruthers book, you will definitely got 1 to 2 marks. Okay. Then now we are going to spectroscopy. Spectroscopy is the very easy unit in organic chemistry. So in this spectroscopy, mainly they are asking questions from NMR, IR and UV spectroscopy. In these three, among these three, NMR is very important. So NMR spectroscopy, in that topic, chemical shift values, number of signals and multiplicity is the important. And IR spectroscopy, carbonyl stretching frequency values. Then UV spectroscopy, Woodward-Fisher rules. Woodward-Fisher rules is the very important. They are giving one question, like one structure they are giving. So they are asking lambda maximum values. So that is the main criteria. So in Woodward-Fisher rules. Okay. Then now I am moving to next unit. See here, reactive intermediates. So reactive intermediates also, it is then not a just unit, it is also including with reaction mechanism as well as reagents. So but you just study individually carbanion, carbenes, nitrines, benzene mechanism, free radical reactions. These are the very important and also very basic reactions which are asked in the GATE exams. So you just recall these topics once again. Okay, then heterocyclic chemistry. Heterocyclic chemistry, in this topic you just study furan, pyrrole, thiophene, pyridine, indole, quinoline, isoquinoline reactions. It is very sufficient. So these reactions are get in Clayden book. So Clayden is the best book for the heterocyclic chemistry. So you just study the chapters. I think 2 chapters is there for heterocyclic chemistry. So you just recall these topics in the Clayden book. Then we are moving to bioorganic chemistry. In bioorganic chemistry, 1 to 2 questions they are asking frequently. So in this topic, synthesis of peptides, carbohydrates, nucleic acids, structure of amino acids and their pK values, terpenoids, steroids, alkaloids, also functions of common enzymes like ND, pH, etc. So these concepts important in the bioorganic chemistry. In the last, I mentioned here GOC aromaticity. Why I am mentioned is last. These are the very less weightage, but this is the most important unit, because without GOC aromaticity stereochemistry we cannot study the organic chemistry basics, because this is the main basic part of the basic skeletal. We are called as also basic skeletal of organic chemistry. So you just study the each and every concept in GOC, especially acidity and basicity concepts, exception cases in aromatic compounds, stability of organic molecules. So these are the most important concepts in organic chemistry. So follow all the topics whatever I mentioned in this section. So you will definitely got 20 above marks. So not 20 plus, you will definitely got the marks in the GATE examination. I will come next video with physical chemistry. So who are buried about the physical chemistry, I will give a brief introduction and also very important topics. I will come with the next video in physical chemistry. So until, keep smiling and happy learning. So please like, share and subscribe my video. If you want to study and again, please subscribe.